In this video, I will show you how to create a guild on Discord. So in order to create a guild, you need to first have a server. So in order to do that, just scroll down right here on your left sidebar and click on this plus icon in order to add a server. Now click on this create my own, or you can also start from a template. So they have in here templates for artists, study group, and gaming. For example, you have a gaming guild, just click on this gaming option right here and then just choose if it's community or for with friends, and then you can put in here the name of the server. So for example, let's name this BM Guild. Now once you have named your guild, just head over and upload your logo if you have one. Then after that, click on this create option. Now once you have done that, as you can see, your guild has now been created. Next thing you need to do is you just need to personalize it using icons, highlights, and also add some text channels and voice channels depending on what you want. You can also invite friends through this one by clicking on this arrow down button and then click on this invite people right here in order to fully customize your guild.